Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am here with this awesome cat grass growing kit. This is by Cali Kiwi Pros. Not only do I love it, but as soon as I take it off the shelf, my cat comes running for it. This grass kit comes with everything that you need to be able to grow really wonderful wheatgrass that is good for your cat and helps them a lot with hairballs. The kit comes with this great wooden planter. The planter is made of a nice solid wood, and what's awesome is when you water it, it does not leak at all. Rather, it just holds in all of that great dirt that it comes with, as well as all the moisture to help your cat grass to grow. The kit came with these 4 pellets, and I'm amazed by how much dirt comes out of each of these pellets. As soon as you add the water, following the instructions, you can tell that it is a really good amount of dirt, and the dirt is a nice quality. It also comes with the cat grass seeds, and all you have to do again is just follow the instructions. And I was really amazed because literally within 1 day it started growing, and now you can see how lush and green that grass is. Again, as soon as I take it out, my cat just loves it. If you love your furry friends and you want to be able to provide them a healthy alternative, especially if they're inside cats, then you'll love this cat grass kit. It really is just a well-made design, well-made products, and most of all, my cat loves it. And that's my point of view.